Good morning, everybody. Today's Monday, but you may not be watching this on Monday, and that's great too. Welcome to Just Keep Parenting. This kind of started off as a help for parents in communicating with children, and it has morphed into some ideas, at least for right now, of things that we could do to do at home with our children since we're quarantined with COVID-19. So this is our 4th week of being quarantined, and just have some ideas today for social and emotional regulation, just some helps as the kids are supposed to be great weather this week. So obviously getting outside will help that, but Miss Brooke has put together some great ideas as far as things that we could do to help our kids have better skills to emotionally and regulate what's going on, right? So let me just start reading this. She's got a feelings collage up here. Give a child a large piece of paper divided into 2 or more sections, each labeled with an emotion, right? So either having a face on there for kids who can't read or a name for kids who can read. Have them look through magazines to find pictures of people who are displaying these emotions and sort and glue them onto the different sections of the collage. So lots of cutting skills involved in that as well. And just recognizing, right? Oh, this person looks happy. This person looks angry. This person looks sad. This person looks nervous, right? This person looks quarantined. So have some fun with the feelings collage. The next idea that she's got down here are kindness postcards. And the kindness postcards would be a great idea to send to other people, maybe some of their friends that they're missing, their grandparents that they're missing, people in their life that used to be there that they're not seeing on a regular basis right now. So they're called kindness postcards. As the children work with their parents to make these postcards to give to siblings or send to neighbors or family or preschool people that they're missing, they will be able to work on their writing as well as their social emotional skills. So what we need is cardstock or any kind of paper, right? Scissors, glue stick, markers, drawing utensils, and any kind of stamps that you might have hanging around the house or stickers. Then divide the cardstock into 4 equal sections, right? So quarter it off. Let your child cut along the lines to create 4 pieces, 4 postcards. And then on one side of the postcard, decorate the card using your markers, your paints, crayons, etc. Glue to kind of use to glue on pictures from magazines or other things that you may have printed on the internet. On the back side of the postcard, draw a vertical line, right, to cut it in half, to divide it in half, and then have your child choose who they want to give the postcard to, record their name and address on that side of the postcard. On the left side, have your child write a short message like, have a great day. You can do this by writing the message on another piece of paper and having them copy it, or by using a sound, right, recognizing that if they're listening and stretching the sounds, it's probably not going to be spelled right. Just depends on what your focus is going to be with that child. And then deliver your postcards. Put a stamp on them if they need to be stamped. So there's a couple of ideas there. I think I want to do one more, which is called Emotions Play-Doh. Miss Brooke is going to let's see, I don't know how to do this. Yes, I do. So if you're watching this on Seesaw, then Miss Brooke is going to print something off. If you're not watching this on Seesaw, I'm going to put it on the YouTube channel at Just Keep Parenting, and you can print it off there. What it is, it's an emotions Play-Doh template, and so you can have your child use the Play-Doh to create the emotions shown on the top of the page, and then you can just talk about it, right? When have you felt like this? When have you felt like this? Have them use Play-Doh. If you can sit with them and do it, that's a great activity for just talking through emotions, talking to them about your emotions. Remember, any kind of personal experiences really helps the child to recognize that, oh, mom and dad are feeling these as well, right? And so if this is what they do, talk about tools that you use, right? We've talked about my lotion tools. I got some new lotion last week. Talk about tools that you use to regulate through each of those emotions. So here we go for social emotional regulation this week. Last week we talked about, speaking of social things, we talked about virtual play dates, right? Because even though our kids are quarantined, they still need that friendship connection. I was visiting with some parents in my neighborhood this weekend, and that's what they said. Even their teenagers, littles, are missing their friends, right? And so if you want to watch that one, that was last week's post on Thursday about virtual playdates. You can find it on the YouTube channel at Just Keep Parenting. Thanks for watching, everybody.